Hi everyone, in this video I am gonna review a book of thermal physics by Garg Banshal and Ghosh. This is one of the most famous book of thermal physics among Indian students for academic and competitive examination purpose. The publisher of this book is MC Grohal Publication, and it is designed according to the UGC syllabus, and it contains 252 solved examples and there are 149 practice problems with detailed answer. Chapter first of this book is about ideal gas, elementary kinetic theory and Maxwell distribution. In this chapter, you will find basic assumption of kinetic theory, pressure exerted by ideal gas, classical theory of heat capacities of gas, distribution of molecular velocity in a perfect gas, energy distribution of a Maxwellian gas, experimental verification of Maxwell distribution law, etc. In chapter 2, you will find mean free path and transport phenomena. This chapter started with mean free path description and transport phenomena, Brownian motion, and random walk problem is also given. In chapter 3 is about real gases, van der Waals gas equation of states. In this chapter, you will find a derivation from perfect gas behavior, Ohm's equation of state, van der Waals equation of state, reduced equation of state, and other equation of state. And chapter 4 is about basic concept of thermodynamics. In this chapter, you will find a brief description about the thermodynamic process, the zeroth law and concept of temperature, some deduction from the equation of state, measurement of temperature, scale of temperature. And in chapter 5 you will find the first law of thermodynamics. In this it covers origin of first law, the internal energy, the first law, application of first law of thermodynamics, heat capacities of a gas, adiabatic and isothermal elasticity, the enthalpy. And in chapter 6 is about the second law of thermodynamics. In this chapter, the origin of second law, heat capacity, Carnot engine, and thermodynamics, temperature, power cycle, refrigeration cycle. Chapter 7th is about entropy. In this chapter you will find what is entropy, entropy change in reversible process, the Carnot engine, reversible heat transfer, Clausius inequality, and the principle of increase of entropy and entropy from the first law. In chapter 8 is about thermodynamic relation. In this chapter you will find the Maxwell relation, thermodynamic relation involving heat capacities and TS diagram, energy equation, Gibbs-Helmholtz equation. Chapter 9 is about free energy of thermodynamic equilibrium. In this chapter you will find free energies and Maxwell relation. Chapter 9 is about free energies and thermodynamic equilibrium. In chapter you will find general condition for a natural change, an adiabatic process, isothermal process. And chapter 10 is about low temperature and their application. In this chapter you will find Joule-Thomson effect, ordinary method of cooling, adiabatic demagnetization. Chapter 11 is about radiation, classical and quantum theories. In this chapter you will find some useful definition and concepts, Kirchhoff law, blackbody radiation, Stefan-Boltzmann law, isothermal and adiabatic expansion of blackbody radiation, spectral distribution of radiant energy, Wien's law, Rayleigh-Jeans law, Planck's law, experimental verification of law of radiation, Kirchhoff law, Stefan's law, and most importantly, the solar constant description is also covered. Chapter 12 is about basic concept of statistical mechanics. In this chapter, you will find microscopic and macroscopic behavior, phase space and quantum state description, specification of state of a system in 1 dimension, 2 dimension, and 3 dimension, probability calculation, types of ensemble, entropy and probability, classical and quantum statics are covered in this chapter. In chapter 3 you will find Maxwell-Boltzmann statics. This chapter covers partition function and thermodynamic properties of a system, the partition function of an ideal monoatomic gas, some deduction from Maxwell-Boltzmann statics, distribution law for molecular speed, specific heat capacity of gases, partition function of diatomic molecules, specific heat capacity of diatomic molecules, and specific heat capacity of solids, thermodynamics function of a system with finite number of energy levels. Negative temperature concept is also described in this book, and some short of description about laser action and Saha ionization formula is also described. In chapter 14 is about Fermi-Dirac statics. In this chapter you will find ideal quantum gases, particle distribution and internal energies, weakly degenerated quantum system, strongly degenerated quantum system, and harmonic emission, photoelectric emission, white dwarf star. Chapter 15 is about Bose-Einstein statistics. In this chapter, strongly degenerated Bose-Einstein condensation description, thermodynamic function of an ideal gas, Bose-Einstein gas, liquid helium, blackbody radiation, all are covered in very well and descriptive manner. This is all about content. Let's proceed further. In this book, at the starting of every chapter, you will find a table, learning objective. In this table, all the thing what you are going to learn in this chapter is given point wise. So this is a good thing. And then you will find the theory and the corresponding diagrams are also given. Okay, this is about Boyle's law. The particular graph corresponding to the theory are also given. As you can see, solved examples are provided in sufficient number in each chapter at appropriate location. There are lots of solved examples in this book. Along with that, you will find the experimental description is also given. At the end of the chapter, you will find additional examples. So if you are preparing for any competitive examination like JAM, JEST, GATE or NET, this is the best book because it covers mainly all the concepts by its solved examples. At the end of the chapter, you will find a summary. In this, all the important topics which are covered in a chapter is pointed, and you will find an exercise. Good thing about this book that if you are a college going student, so you can also consider it because all the theory and all the derivation are covered in a very well manner. At the end of the book, you will find some detailed description about some advanced topic with particular experiment used in that particular theory. So this is all about this book, and I can assure you that if you are preparing for competitive examination or you are a college going student, you should prefer this book because its language is easy and it has many solved examples to cover the particular topic. So this is all about this book. If you are a college going student or you are preparing for any competitive examination such as JAM, GATE, NET, JEST examination, this is one of the must have book for you. You can find this book on the link given in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.